Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem faced when working with Excel spreadsheets. The problem we'll be addressing involves summing up numbers in one column based on the presence of a specific word in an adjacent column. This can be a real headache if you're not sure how to go about it, but fret not, as we got a solution ready for you. In the solution provided, we use a formula that checks if a certain word, in this case, sum, appears in a specific cell. If the word is found, the formula sums up all the numbers from the row below the last sum encountered up to the previous row. This is achieved through a combination of the sum function and summa function, making the calculations seamless and efficient. By implementing this formula, you can easily automate the process of summing up numbers in your Excel sheet without breaking a sweat. To put it simply, by following the steps outlined in the solution, you can empower your Excel spreadsheet to intelligently calculate the sum of numbers based on predefined criteria. This not only saves you time and effort, but also ensures accuracy in your computations. So next time you encounter a similar scenario in your Excel work, you'll know just what to do to swiftly resolve the issue. And there you have it! With this handy formula at your disposal, managing and summing up numbers in Excel becomes a breeze. I hope you found the solution helpful and that it streamlines your spreadsheet tasks. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to leave a comment with your thoughts or any Excel-related queries. Until next time, happy spreadsheeting!